These are my favorite ESL conversation topics for intermediate learners. Number one is if I won the lottery. So what would you do if you won, say, like $1 million, $10 million, something like that? The second topic is your last 100 days. If you found out you only had 100 days to live, what would you do? The next topic is guilty pleasure. So what is something that you like to indulge in? Number 4 is last purchase. So what was the last thing you bought that was over a certain amount of money, say $100? The next one is what are your goals for this year? So this is particularly good maybe to do in December, kind of when the year is coming to an end. And you can also talk about New Year's resolutions and that kind of thing. The next idea is you're the president. So if you were the president of your country, what would you change? The next one is horoscopes. Do you believe in them? Have they changed your life, etc.? The next topic is what is your dream vacation? Where would you go and what would you do? The next one is what is your happy place? Where do you go to just feel good? Maybe the forest, maybe your house, maybe you go watch a movie, something like that. But where do you feel the happiest? And finally, what can you cook? What is your specialty? What do you make if someone is coming over for dinner to your house? Okay, so if you like these ideas, please be sure to check out my book, Great Debates for ESL, EFL. There are a ton more things to talk about. And please hit like, subscribe, catch you next time.